Hello everyone, it's Dawn McPhee here from Dawn's Inspirations. I will be on the craft store on Tuesday the 21st of September at 7 AM and 10 AM in the morning, so set your recorders if you can't get up that early to come and join and watch me. I'm bringing you these beauties. Aren't these big? Now this is brand new. This is a Memory Folio, so it's 12 by 12 in size, and we're bringing you some new colours as well. The colours I'm going to be bringing you are, the camera doesn't go mad with my lighter colour, is the true brown and the true ivory in the 12 by 12 in acid and lignin free cardstock. Now I'm hoping it's picking up this lovely chocolate brown because it has been a joy to work with. If I bring a sheet of black in, could you see the difference? Could you see the difference with that black? Totally different. The brown is so sumptuous and it gives a lovely elegant look to our projects. So let me just show you quickly, because I wanted to show you in a video rather than putting photos up, because it shows it in its true light. It's 12 by 12 in size and it's got roughly about a 1-inch spine. In your kit you're going to have enough to make 2 to 3 of these. Now say 2 to 3. If you want to do as I've done here with the true brown and the true ivory and doing your matting and layering, you will get 2 of these, and these will hold a minimum of over 100 photographs, 100 6x4s. If you want to go smaller or bigger, the number will alter. But these are great to document holidays, events, family history. They're just perfect. So I hope you can join me. I've done a lovely cover here. This is with my dad, and I've used the beautiful large poppy stamps from Pink Frog as well to decorate this, because I just thought it went really well with what I've done. So you're going to ask me, what's a memory folio? Well, a memory folio is very similar to our memory books, but a memory folio flip-flaps and opens out and all will become clear. So it opens right out. You've got both sides that are 12 inches by 12 inches inside. As I've said, in your pack you're going to get a double-sided instruction sheet and also a cutting and scoring guide in centimetres. So let's start on the left hand side. So you can see already I've popped some photo mats down here for photographs to give you an idea. I've used those lovely stamps again to decorate. When we flap this open, and this is what folios are about, it's about flapping open. I'm hoping you can see it all. If I move this one back, more photos again. So you can get 8 on this spread here, which is brilliant. You don't have to put photos of this size. You could leave it and just put photos of other size. But if you tune into the show, you'll see all the different decoration ideas and how you can use them. Now, if I flap that back, you'll see you've got that page there. If I open that out, you've got this one. This opens out. So again, you've got space for putting 6 6x4 landscape or 2 of each in the portrait. I've used the smaller poppy stamps here along with Textures 3 stamps, and I've used the Pearly Winks basic collection that we have. There isn't the shimmer ones because they are acid and lignin free if you use the basic collection, and I've used Mask It as well. And then if I flap this open again, I'm just sliding everything along here to get it in shot. You've got the same on the reverse, this time using some more of those texture stamps and the Pearly Wink sprays and the beautiful poppy stamps. So there's plenty of room for photographs. So this is your left hand side, but we haven't finished there, because yes, you've got this and you've got that, and you can open that up, but you can also open it up again. So here we've got another big space. Now, because I'm using older photographs, They're not always the same size, they're all different sizes, so memory folios like this are perfect for putting big photographs on. You've got a nice big pocket here. I've got lots of photos in my pocket here still to go in. So you've got a nice big pocket. So if you're using that for a holiday or for recording past family, you've got a nice big pocket for storing memorabilia. It could be birth certificates, marriage certificates, it could be a holiday, it could be an itinerary, it could be a cruise, it could be what you've done every day. So you've got a lovely big pocket in there, or you could just add some more big photo mats and add lots of photographs. So that is your left hand side. So now let's look at the right hand side. Again, we've got a different mechanism this side. So yes, we've got the matching on the both sides, so it all ties in. This flaps open. Again, it all ties in beautifully with the texture stamps. This time I've just used the Distress Oxide to do some brushing techniques. I've used the poppy stamps again. We've got another big pocket. This pocket goes right the way to this gusset. Okay, so you've got a lovely big pocket there. Again, you could add big photo mats, memorabilia, all sorts in there. So that's that side. But in true folio style, this then flaps open. What have we got here? We've got waterfall pages. So we're going to do waterfall pages, but these are nice big waterfall pages. Again, incorporating those lovely poppy stamps and the wording going on and the texture stamps and some brushing. And the nice thing about your waterfalls is you could have them portrait or you can have them landscape. And I will share some more videos of some of the finished samples so you can see them in their full light, if you like, and you'll see that some of the girls have used them as landscape as well, so you can use both ways. And then if I open out lastly on this side, just a nice big space again like we had on the other side for photographs, telling the story, bringing in those lovely words and poppy stamps, textures. It just works beautifully. So this is a memory folio. I'm going to be bringing these to the craft store on the 21st of September at 7 a.m. in the morning and 10 a.m. in the morning. So these are your big folios, fabulous for storing lots of photographs. And the nice thing is they can stand alone. You can just add lots of these. And what a great way to have your photographs rather than those boring old photo albums. They're really quick and easy to make. You've got my step-by-step instructions. You've got the cutting and scoring guide in there as well. So you've got everything you need. You just need to add some glue and decoration. I look forward to seeing you on the craft store. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll share some more sneaky peek videos as we build up to the big day on the 21st of September. Bye for now.